time. Speaking about the ISS in particular, as Mr. Ahmed says, it is 400 kilometers above the Earth's surface. And how does it exactly support astronauts in terms of daily life, in terms of including food, sleep and exercise during the long hours? So, are you there with us? It seems that we've lost that line of connection. I'd like to pose this question to Dr. Kumar Kishan.
Yes, everything is, how do I say, stored in the space station. The food, the amenities, supplies, all these go meticulously, day by day, hour by hour. There are 100 or 200 people working on this alone. What will they eat that day? What exercise will they do? It's just a big process. But so all the supplies are there. And I like to make one point, which is near and dear to my heart. I have 3 daughters. And it is not very simple and easy for a female to be an astronaut. I can assure you that. I've seen it in Kalpana Chawla. I've seen it in Sunita Williams. I've seen it in other astronauts who are female. One of them was on my team helping me with temperature calculations for human body. So my point is, it's a different situation for females in training. And when they go in space, the physiology, psychology is not identical to that of the male. So you have variances. For example, the way the cosmic radiation, nuclear particles, etc., interact with, for example, a female astronaut is a little bit different. It can affect the productive system of a female astronaut much more than anything else. I think you are getting the brunt of it. For a female to have such a high profile, how do I say, visibility in the world, I salute her, because that shows you what she must have gone through all her life, from high school all the way to this time. The training, the dedication, and then knowing that she's a female. By the way, little things in space get big. And I have talked to astronauts, such as going to toilet, can be a big problem. My colleagues will tell you who are still on. It can take an hour or 2 because the lack of gravity is so prevalent in many of the things we do in space that things get entirely different. I listened to one of the astronauts. He said, Kumar, I had a problem with my digestive system and it took me more than 2 hours. So you can imagine. And then, female urination and things like that. There are a lot of things that females have to be careful about. And let me rest at that. Therefore, I think we should also recognize that this is an achievement in itself for a female astronaut.
Put it, it is a very significant achievement. We are in fact playing those visuals back to back, but let's also, before I go across to my guests once again, let's also understand who exactly is Sunita Williams, where she come from, how she's risen up the ranks. She was earlier with the US Navy itself, and who is with Butch Wilmore as well. We've collated some information for all